Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start the recipe. Cabbage ½ cup. Boiled and shredded chicken 1/4 cup. Grated carrot 1/4 cup. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. Chicken powder 1/2 tablespoon. Mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix again. Boil and mash potatoes too. Salt to taste. Chicken powder 1/4 tablespoon. Black pepper powder 1/2 tablespoon. Mix well. Make 5 potato balls. Spread it on your palm, add the filling. Then shape and pack it like a cutlet. Now we'll double coat it. First dip it in egg, then coat it with breadcrumbs. After that, dip it again in egg and coat once more with breadcrumbs. Shallow fry in a medium hot oil on medium flame. Alhamdulillah. Our Chinese cutlets are ready. How are your Ramadan preparations going? Do let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts on today's recipe. Please share your feedback in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for our next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.